everyone. So I'm done using the rejuvenating set of Dr. Alban beauty products. So if you have noticed, my skin is a little lighter now and it's so smooth. Feels so smooth. Now I'm ready to have or to use the second set, which is the clarifying set. So this clarifying set has soap, um, toner, sunblock, and night cream. So after 30 days of using this clarifying set, I'll be making another video on this clarifying set for another 30 days, and then I will be posting another video and check the changes. Okay?